Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther Ray, and today we'll be doing a DIY on how to make a face mask. So this is our requirements: the clothes, the fabric we'll be using, the thread, the flat plate. You can use your pen, a chalk, a pencil, the needle, and the scissors in cutting it. So we'll get the fabric, you place the plate on the fabric, you use your normal what you want to use in making the mark on the clothes. Then you cut it out. This is, we achieve a circle with the circle of the plate. Then you fold into 2, then you also fold into 4. What we'll be doing, we'll be cutting the fabric at where it is being folded. You know, it's folding it into 4 now. Then you cut it out. We have 2 pieces. Then you open up the 2 open. That's what I'm cutting it out now. Then you open up that space too. So we now have 4 different pieces of the fabric. So we get 2 of the fabric, we sew 2 to 2. You turn the right face of the fabric, 2 fabrics together, then you sew it from the wrong side of the fabric. This is the wrong side that I'm sewing, the 2 wrong side. So you know, we get the 2 wrong side at the outer part, so definitely the 2 right side will be inside what I'm sewing right now. So I'm just sewing the coffee part of the fabric, which will also be applicable to the second pattern of the fabric. That is what I'm showing you right now. The coffee part is being sewn together with the needle and the thread. Have you seen it? Then I'm going to tack it. Make sure you tie a knot to make sure that your stitches don't get loose. So I'm going to do same thing to the second 2 pieces of that fabric. Then we'll do same thing to it. Now we will be looking for, you also make sure that you check for the right and the wrong side of your fabric. So this is the right side of the fabric, the right side of the other fabric. I'm adding the 2 face right side together. Then you will be sewing round from the wrong side, leaving a little space at the other end. See that little space where you will be bringing out the right side of the fabric from. That's what I've been seen the sewing with the needle. So I'm cutting out the thread. So that is the opening that you will be able to bring out the right side. Then you can adjust the fabric with your ends. You can preferably iron it too, to bring out the right shape of the fabric of what we are achieving. That is the cup of the face mask. So you get an elastic band. This is 10 centimeters. You can use your ruler in measuring it, or you use your band, the head band, just from your 2 ears at the back. Then you put it together. So then you stitch it with the cup. You see the 2 mounts is being tucked inside the fabric. So now we have achieved a face mask. You want it to be the ones you'll be using to the 2 ears. So you just fold it a little bit, add the elastic band to the other side and to the other side. So you'll be using shorter elastic band, you understand, instead of the long one I'm using for the back. For this pattern, I'll be showing you a pattern that I used just that way. This is the pattern I use. You just fold it like that. You put your elastic band into it, the shorter one. So you won't need more than 3 or 4 inches for the 2 elastic bands. I believe this is helpful. If it is helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family. Kindly subscribe if you are not subscribed to this channel. Give it a thumbs up and stay blessed. Thank you for listening. Bye.